So let's talk specifically about some new bull and bear ETFs that Direxion recently launched, linked to Ford Motors, Shopify, Lockheed Martin. Congrats on the recent launches. So what type of traders might be interested in Direxion's bull and bear ETFs linked to these companies?
Yeah, so I think what's interesting about these three names is in some ways non-traditional in terms of how they fit together. And so, the through line between Lockheed Martin and Shopify is quite wide. But if you were to look at Direxion social media, I think we did a very nice job of highlighting a fighter jet with a shopping cart on top of it, which makes the story kind of tell itself and sing from that perspective. But as it pertains to the underlying names, I think what we see as traders are interested in three companies that are leaders within their given industries. And so we're thinking about someone like Ford, clearly in the midst of an evolution. There's been some more recent news off of the second wave of the Model T movement within Ford, and this Christmas tree assembly line that they're putting together, a nice social plug as well in terms of, I think, some of the things that are behind that. So one who wants to kind of ride the wave from a potential of that electronic shift happens at someone like Ford, there is an opportunity there. If one thinks that the moment maybe has passed for a long time automotive American-made manufacturer, you have an opportunity to take the other side from a trading perspective and express that short-term view. With something like Shopify, I think we see an emerging e-commerce company that's really the backbone of a number of not only online sites, but increasingly brick and mortar retailers that exist not only here in the US, but globally as well. And so I think offering the same investors and traders an opportunity to be on either side. And then last, as we look at Lockheed Martin, I think that the news yesterday with President Trump and Mr. Putin meeting in Alaska is only very telling in terms of the geopolitical landscape is ever evolving. And at the kind of the nexus of that is none other than aerospace and defense companies, Lockheed Martin here in the US being a leader. And so the same trend kind of applies, allowing for our traders to seek those opportunities that may present themselves in the market to express a view on either side.